In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover unsaved Excel file. If Excel crashed, your laptop died, or you closed a workbook without saving, don't panic. Excel keeps temporary versions behind the scenes, and there's a built-in way to bring them back. I'll walk you through the exact path to find those copies and open the one you need. Start in Excel and head to the File menu. You'll find it in the top left corner of the app window. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where all the file and account options live. Think of it as the control center for anything that's not on the worksheet itself. Going here is important because the recovery options aren't on the ribbon. They're tucked away under File. Next, go to Recent. Then look for the option labeled More Workbooks. Recent is where Excel lists your previously opened files, even if they were never fully saved. The More Workbooks link expands your view and exposes additional file locations and options that don't always show up in the main list. If you're recovering something that was never named or saved, this is exactly where you need to be. Now choose Recover Unsaved Workbooks. This opens a special folder that Excel maintains for auto-saved drafts. You'll usually see files with generic names like book followed by a number, along with timestamps. Pick the one that matches the time you were working. When you open it, Excel loads that temporary copy so you can review what was captured. Keep in mind, these are auto-saved versions, so the content may reflect your work from a few minutes before the interruption, depending on your auto-recover interval. Once the file opens, scan a few key sheets and cells to confirm it's the right version. It's normal for recovered files to open as temporary items until you save them like a regular workbook. The moment you're confident it's what you need, preserve it so you don't lose it again, and consider giving it a clear name that helps you identify it later. If you don't see the workbook you expected, it may mean the autosave hadn't run yet, or the session was too brief for a snapshot. Checking immediately after reopening Excel gives you the best chance to find a recent copy. Going forward, using features like autosave with cloud storage or shortening the auto-recover interval can reduce how much work you ever risk losing. That's it. By going to File, then Recent, then More Workbooks, and choosing Recover Unsaved Workbooks, you can quickly bring back drafts you thought were gone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you rescue your work with confidence.